In this video, I'll show you how to fix these errors. This mostly works for users with After Effects 2020 or above. Let's get into the video. First, I'll show you guys that I get the errors when importing a new version project file and presets. Timestamp of when I start fixing the error will pop on the screen. I'm showing the solution for both at once. Please watch carefully. You have to install a new version like After Effects 2024 for this to work. Open the project file that requires After Effects new version. Import the preset you want to use in your After Effects version. Now go to File, Save As and press Save a copy as 22.x, save it. Now open that converted project file with After Effects 2020 if that's the version you're using. Now if you want to use that preset in the future, press Animation, Save Animation, and save it. You can use it again anytime. Hope you guys fix your errors without any trouble. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.